Red Hat has been red hot. The open source software company beating the street with earnings late Tuesday, and the stock is up about 123% so far this year. President and CEO Jim Whitehurst joins me now from Red Hat's Raleigh, North Carolina headquarters. And Jim, hope your BlackBerry wasn't disrupted either yesterday.
So far, mine's been working fine. I checked just to make sure.
You almost expect that the entire country comes to a halt when this happens. In any case, moving on, you had some great earnings coming out. Your stock was up after the earnings report. And a lot of it has to do with subscriber demand, up I think about 20%. Where is this demand coming from at a time like this?
Well, we've continued to grow at a solid pace even during the down economy as people were looking for value, and we basically sell value versus our proprietary competitors. That said, we are starting to see a rebound. We're starting to see customers come back. They're looking at new projects, looking for technology for new projects. And in particular, North America was very, very strong. So over the last few quarters, Europe and Asia Pacific have been stronger, but this quarter we really saw a reacceleration here in North America, both commercial and government.
Describe to me, though, the types of customers that are coming on and subscribing to your system. Are they the traditional customers you saw before this crisis? Are they different ones this time around?
It's really both. Our existing customers continue to renew. We said our largest customers renewed at with an increase of over 20% from what they did in the prior year. So these are the major financial services institutions and telecommunications vendors and large government users who are really running mission-critical applications. And they continue to add feature functionality, which requires more computing power. That said, we're also seeing a lot of new customers come in, some of the big traditional Main Street customers who before were probably comfortable using some of the older technologies, and they're looking to upgrade and save money as well.
And all of this, then, does that mean, Jim, that you've been able to keep pricing up?
Yeah, we've kept pricing, but we haven't raised pricing. We've been able to maintain prices, but really our growth has come through volume increases. People are buying our more full-featured suites of software, which do have a higher price, and our absolute volumes just continue to grow.
So you don't plan next year, for instance, to raise prices or anything like that? You're going to keep them flat at this point?
We haven't made any decisions on that, but we typically do not raise price. We haven't over the last several years. We understand our customers are having difficult times, and really we sell value, and so I'd rather maintain our position as a value player and continue to expand our volumes.
Now, you're doing so well, Jim, that there's a lot of talk now that a bigger technology company might be interested in buying Red Hat. We've heard about Oracle, maybe even Microsoft perhaps, although I'm not sure where the fit is exactly. What do you say to that? Are you prepared?
Well, look, we always have to be prepared for any outcome. But, the best thing for us is just to continue to execute. And I don't spend a lot of time thinking about it. I spend a lot of time thinking about how we serve our customers better, how we continue to deliver value. And as long as we continue to grow and we continue to be successful, I think we'll be able to control our own destiny.
But would you be open? Would you be open if somebody had come up to you with an approach?
I don't spend any time even speculating. It's a hypothetical, and I don't spend a lot of time thinking about that.
Okay. All right, Jim. Thank you so much for joining us. Good to talk with you. Jim Whitehurst, President and CEO of Red Hat.